How to make India progressive and scientific? This is an important question in this day and age. And let's try to discuss three specific ways in which we can make India more scientific. The first way is to speak about science in your mother tongue. India is a country with various languages, and people have their specific mother tongue utilized for various aspects of communication. But if science has to penetrate deep into the society, it is important that the language in which science is spoken is easily accessible to the people. This does not mean that one should not use English language to communicate science, but one should make our mother tongues also become part of the conversation about science. So there should be more communication about science while speaking with each other in our homes, which also means that it gives an opportunity for us to build upon the vocabulary in our own mother tongue to communicate about science. Because remember, the way to really implant a good idea in somebody's mind is through a language. Because language is the mode of communication between human beings, either in the written form or in the spoken form. The spoken form takes a new prominence because while we speak, it becomes much more natural, and the conversations are generally in the spoken format. Of course, one can also have a very nice written format also brought into consideration. But the issue here is that if it becomes more prevalent while talking in the mother tongue, then science can penetrate into society much deeper and in a more effective way. So that's the point number one. Point number two is to encourage asking questions. The bedrock of scientific method is to not consider anything on the face value, but test it out systematically. And this testing process happens always by asking questions. Scientific process itself is like taking two steps forward and taking one step backward. But this step backward is not a negative thing. It is about checking whether what you are proposing is indeed a good idea, whether it can be verified, whether it is possible for one to understand what somebody is doing and replicate that particular study in the systematic way. Because the reproducibility aspect is so important when you make an argument. It doesn't mean that one should not actually look at the concepts in an isolated way, but one should take the broader picture and ask systematic questions in order to understand. All these things happen only when we inculcate the habit of asking questions. As long as we keep asking questions, it becomes natural for anybody to really be more inquisitive, and one can actually wonder about many things in a systematic way. And in that way, one can become more scientific in their outlook. The third aspect is to project scientific thinking as a lifestyle. This is a very crucial aspect. Science, in order to go very deep into society, should not only be of the utilitarian kind of perspective, but it also should become part of our cultures. It should become a way of living. It should also become a lifestyle for people to look forward to live accordingly. This means that people who are scientific in their outlook should not be considered as somebody who are very different from society. It should become natural behavior among people who are scientifically oriented, who do not take things on face value. They question things, they systematically look into the evidence and be critical of their own thoughts and also any new idea which comes in their way. This does not mean that you should be rejecting everything. It means that you have to systematically see the evidence and make a decision based on systematic questioning and aspects which are related to scientific thinking. So these are three important ways in which India can be made more scientific. Of course, these are not only the three ways. There are many other ways to do it. And that is a question I would want to pose to you. What do you think? What will make India more scientific? This is an important question for us to really ask because we are in the day and age where scientific progress is directly connected to intellectual progress of humans and also the economic progress of a country and the world itself. So, therefore, it is very important for all of us to know how we make India more scientific. Do let me know.